day, and we often forget about the meaning of life, of truth, and the reason we are here. What's the reason? What's the reason? 'Cause I don't wanna be like Schindler. I don't wanna live with fear. I don't wanna live with fear. I don't wanna say I could have done better. Take this cup away. And one day very soon, when I will stand before your throne, I know I'll see you there and hear you say, well done, well done. Treasures here, or all the treasures there. I wanna do my best, but it's a struggle. My Lord, my Savior, you're the way, the truth, the life. You're the reason, you're the reason. So help me not to live for people, pleasure, money, fame. I don't wanna live with fear. I don't wanna live with fear. I don't wanna say I could have done better. Take this cup away. And one day very soon, when I will stand before your throne, I know I'll see you there and hear you say, well done, well done. In another time, in another place, we're gonna see our Savior face to face. Oh, I hope I'm gonna see you there, but until then, let's all declare our love and live for your glory. One day, one day. I don't wanna live with fear. I don't wanna live with fear. I don't wanna say I could have done better. Take this cup away. And one day very soon, when I will stand before your throne, I know I'll see you there and hear you say, well done, well done, well done, well done. 1, 2, buckle my shoe.
And I just don't want fed and chicken, and Beth said shame. There's gonna be no fun tonight, and who's the one to blame? I have got a band to run, and we want fame. Craney and my friend is just lame old game. We are Carrie and the bird, we're not Carrie and the poo. And it's not me, it's you, it's you, it's you. Hey, I just don't want fed and chicken, and Beth said shame. There's gonna be no fun tonight, and who's the one to blame? I've got a band to run, and we want fame. And Craney and my friend is just lame old game. We are Carrie and the bird, we're not Carrie and the poo. And it's not me, it's you, it's you, it's you. Hey, I just don't want fed and chicken, and Beth said shame. There's gonna be no fun tonight, and who's the one to blame? I've got a band to run, and we want fame. Ha! Woohoo! And Craney and my friend is just a lame old game. Hey! Yeah!